The next two vocab terms I want to talk about have to do with the types of blocks we can use over here from our palette. So I'm going to pull out a couple. This one right here is the one we used before, the move block. But I'm also going to pull out one of these down here that's the X position. And what I want you to look at is the difference in shape here. In the X position, we have this oval shape. And in this move block, we have more of a puzzle piece shape with this cutout and then this little bump on the bottom. So those are the puzzle pieces that are going to fit together later. This oval shape is actually called a reporter. These report something. And so if I click on it, it actually gives me the value that this is reporting. So it says 0. If I hold, so this is saying that the X position of my sprite that I currently have open, that I'm selected, is 0. And if I was to drag this, it's going to change the X position. So when I click on this, it'll give me a new number. It says 73. This is called a scripting block, the kind that have the puzzle pieces. These are all script blocks. And if I click on this block, it's actually going to do what it says, which is what we saw in our last video. If I click on this 10, it's moving me 10 forward. And that's going to change the X position. So if I click on it now, I can see 103. These reporter blocks can be stuck into any input location. So I could say move to the X position, which wouldn't actually make any sense. So I'm not going to in this case. But these ovals fit in the input, the parameter of a script block, and I can put them in there in any spot. These puzzle piece blocks, these script blocks, the reason they have the puzzle piece is so that they can go together. And if I get them close enough, they'll snap together and they'll hold together at the same time, which is actually where this name snap, we snap our blocks together, comes from. So again, we have reporters. They're the oval shape. They tell me something. Down here, I have a couple more. I have the Y position and I have a direction block. All of these are different reporters that I can use. And then I also have script blocks, and these are the puzzle piece shaped blocks. There's another type of block that we'll talk about later. So we're not going to get into it today, but I just wanted you to see we have reporters and we have scripts. These two together are going to move it too. So if I look at my X position right now, it's at 103. When I do these two together, this is 10 and 10 more, that's going to move it 20. And that should make my X position be 123 now. So that's the two different types of blocks, reporters and scripts.